put it on without taking it off.
Another one?
No, it's moving. It's just a moving camera.
I forgot this. What's up?
Eh, mabato. Sabi, nandito kami. Si 130 ang upuan namin. Punta kami ng Iraq ngayon. So, hinta lang kami lumipad. Dito kami sa aeroplano. Ito kasama ko si Brigante. Brigante kasama ko. Okay? Guwapo yan, ha? May camera yan. Take off kami siguro mga 30 minutes na ako mag-take off. Ito pinakalap yung aeroplano na yun. Pinukunan ko ngayon. Yes. We gotta say something there. We can watch it later on a laptop.
Hello, we're on the
C-130,
C-130, C5. First time I've ever been on here. Sitting next to Lazo, the man. He's been on these things several times.
Second. No second.
We got all our members here. Got our Bagante.
It's kind of white.
Darn White somewhere around here. Darn Allen, Darn Patrick.
You can take the camera off. Yeah, I can take it off.
Yes.
Yeah, I think we can take. I think we can take off our jacket. I know we can take it off. Pwede pa lang tanggalin ng sombrero eh.